What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Now We're Strangers by Central Cee. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down below in the pinned comment if you want to refer to that. But first, here's a preview of what it's going to sound like. So as you can see, I have a capo on the 5th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. This is a really easy song. It's only 2 chords that you're playing throughout the entire song. All right, and those 2 chords are F sharp minor 7 and A major 7. And here's a breakdown of how to play those chords. All right, guys, first chord is an F sharp minor 7, so we're barring the 2nd fret and we're putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. Second chord is an A major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. And that's it. It's just those 2 chords, and if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so each chord gets 2 4 counts. So in terms of the strumming pattern, really simple. It's gonna go like this. All right, so let me break that down for you. So we'll take it from the first chord, F sharp minor 7. So to start off, I'm plucking the 4 middle strings twice. Okay, then I'm gonna pluck the A string, and then I'm gonna pluck the D, G, and B string at the same time, and then all 4 middle strings at the same time. So in real time, it's like this. So we'll take it from the top. So that's the first part. Second part, we're going to the A major 7, and we're plucking all 4 middle strings twice again. And then I'm going to pluck the D string, and then I'm plucking the 3 bottom strings at the same time, and then I'm plucking all 4 bottom strings. So in real time, so it's kind of similar to what you did in the F sharp minor 7. So all together. And you can see here, I'm kind of like slapping the strings very lightly just to keep some tempo. So yo, shit, that was ugly as hell. But anyway, you get the picture. Also, bonus material, if you want to play that little riff that you hear throughout the entire song, you're just going to pluck the high E string, and it's going to go 7th fret, 5th fret, 4th fret, 7, 5, 4, 2. So in real time, simple as that. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out. While you're here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you like this content and you want more of it. Also, follow me on my other socials. I have TikTok and I have Instagram. The links are going to be down below in the description and also in the pinned comment. And right now, there's a video popping up on your screen. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and check that one out. and I will see you guys in the next video.